Hello everyone. Before going to Nifty and Bank Nifty, let we discuss about the Dow Jones first, the global market. So this is the weekly outlook, and for longer term perspective, Dow Jones is still in positive and bullish, and is still in running in third wave. From the COVID level, it is the wave one, wave two, and third is ongoing on. So third is expected to reach near 49,000 on the upside in Dow Jones. And if you see the daily chart of the Dow Jones, so probability the correction might be over in Dow Jones, but we have to look the internal wave count again. Okay, so in that case, if this is A, B, and C, so you can see this is the 1, 2, 3, 4. So one more uh, down in pending as per daily chart in Dow Jones. If you go to the smaller time frame, that is hourly chart, you can see here from this leg 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 look like wave A is completed and wave B is pending. So in that, if that is the case, so it could be wave B, and wave B can go up to 0.618 percentage on the upside, and it is here till now 0.38. So there is a probability and possibility that it can extend to the upside till 0.618, and then we can see one more leg on the downside. So this is for the Dow Jones. Now, in relation with Dow Jones, let me have a look of Nifty also. So Nifty, this is the weekly chart of Nifty, and from the COVID level, we have seen this is the wave one has completed, and wave two is done here, and we are in wave three, larger wave three, and wave three will completed near 32,000 on the upside. So we are still completed only 25,000 level. So 7,000 points is pending in Nifty to hit the target of wave third. Okay, so this is the picture for a long term perspective, and if you see that is the from this point of view, 1 2 again subdivided into internal wave count 1 2 3 4 5, and third wave coming near about 26,200 level to complete this third. Okay, and then correction will start till downwards in the form of wave 4. Okay, so this is weekly point of view. If you see the MACD of weekly chart Nifty, so it is slightly in a positive tone, and but slightly bending, but still in positive zone. If you see the RSI cut from 70, it went to 82, and but it has cut the 70 level. So it is negative diversion in RSI on weekly chart. If you go to the uh, daily chart of the Nifty, you can see the MACD is still in negative zone. If you can see here, the MACD is still in negative zone. Okay, so there's no positive divergence in MACD, but slightly bending on upside. So as long as negative zone, it can touch till zero. In that case, the one leg downside possible in Nifty. If you see the RSI is bounced back from the 40 days RSI, and now is trading near 50. So still moving average not yet crossover. So we can see again a selling pressure at 50 to 60 point 55 level in Nifty. So in Nifty, there is a two probability, either one downside pending or correction is over. Okay, so if correction is over, then this is can be the view. From this low point of election result low, we can see the wave. We count the wave count 1, 2, 3, and this could be a 4A, 4B, and 4C. So this is the only probability and possibility that correction is over, because you can see if we check the favor ratio from this point of view, from budget day high, sorry, uh, yes, this was a result day low. If you see that Nifty had crossed 0.618 level, so that means there's a probability chance of chances from the election day result we have done one to fifth wave on the upside, one wave completed in that case. Okay. Now, if you check this correction, if it is a 4A, 4B, and 4C, in that case, the 4C also completed in the corrections. If you see that, this is a flat correction. So, if we check the high, and this was the low, so almost correction is still pending as per fever ratio. 1.618 is coming around 23,840. Okay, the low was made, that is 23,893. So still one leg side downside is pending as per this fever series. And if you see the spinning top, that is on daily chart, this is spinning top, but candle is still in bearish, but this is positive candle because it had closed higher high, higher low, and higher closing of the prior candle. So this is the candle only showing the strength and telling us that price can go upside from here. So how much upside is left? How much upside can we go from here? Let me count. So now, if we consider that is from, this is a top made by Nifty, and this is the wave A and wave B. So in that case, there is only two option. Either it should be ABC or it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If it is ABC, then this is A and B is going on and C is left. Okay, so C is pending. So waves B can move till now move at 0.38%. So just like Dow Jones, Nifty and Dow Jones have the both have the similarity, and Dow Jones can again can move further. So Nifty will can also move further upside, and the maximum can come to 24,630 on the upside, and from there we can see one more leg is pending on a downside to complete this leg, that is 23,840 around. Okay, so these are the view for the Nifty, and now uh, and there is another probability that if it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, if we say we consider that this is 1 and 2, so this is fourth is running and fifth is pending on downside. In that case, the fourth wave is in triangle formation. Thus, I've given you the WhatsApp and Telegram channel also. So in that case, if it is a triangle formation, the fourth wave can move till 50% or 0.618% on the upside. So if it is a fourth wave, I think it should resist here. Okay, so it should not fill this gap. If it is fill this gap, then it can be a bigger retracement. So fourth wave should end here, and in that case, it will be in triangle formation. Is moving a three wave. It is A, B, C, D, and E. Okay, so in that case, where we E has completed here, and there is a another probability and possibility that from here we have done wave 1 and wave 2 in progress. So in that case, if we consider the fever retracement from the top made on Friday, the top made on Friday was 24,420 and low was 24,311. Okay, so it can wave 2 should not move higher beyond this 24,420. If any gap of opening and price should resist below this level, that Friday high. Okay, so suppose if make if to near to about 24,400 and price reject from this and break below 23,011, then it will confirm that this will be wave 1, this can be a wave 1, this can be wave 2, and 3, 4, and 5 is pending in form of wave C. Okay, so here we can complete wave C on a downside in this case. Okay, so this is also the possibility. Okay, now we this is for the nifty. Now we can check also the bank nifty also. So if you see the bank nifty, now before bank nifty, let me have a look for other indices also. uh, Small, that is small cap. Now if you see the small cap hourly chart, let me go to the weekly chart also. Now this is the weekly chart of the small cap 100. So here also third wave is pending. Okay, from the low of 2020, this is the wave 1, wave 2, and third is ongoing. And within that third, we have completed wave 1 to complete here. Okay, and this can be completed wave 4, 3 and 4. And within 3 and 4, other fifth wave is going on. This could be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so you can see the wave 1 was too much larger. So there is equality of wave 1 and wave 5 on the upside. In that case, the wave 5 can extend further till 22,000 level on the upside in Nifty small cap. So in both Nifty, Bank Nifty and small cap and Dow Jones, wave 3 is running, and we are in 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth or fourth wave is going on. Now we have a look on similar look on mid cap also. If you see the mid cap, so this was the 1 and 2 from COVID point. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2 and third is going on. In the mid cap 100 also, wave third is going on, within that fifth is running. Okay, so it can be from here if you count. So this could be 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth is pending on the upside. So small cap and mid cap also have in third or fifth is running. Okay, now same case in the CNX 100 also, and same case in CNX Nifty 200 also. Okay, now we can move to the Nifty IT. So in our last previous video, I've told you that Nifty has breaking up into cup and handle, and just a retracement is here. So maybe we third is completed and fourth is running and fifth is pending on the upside. The upside target of Nifty IT index is 51,500. Okay, so still you will get an opportunity in this correction to buy the IT stocks on a buy on decline basis. Metal stocks corrected heavily on last week, so it's not showing any strength in metal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, it is in fourth wave. This third is running and fourth in progress, and one larger wave, fifth is pending on the upside. If you see the auto index, so auto index is is getting the rejected from this. The ultimate our target is 27,650 on the upside. So if as long this low is holding, that is 24,950, we can see that 27,500 on the upside for auto index. Pharma is still same, is trading in wave 3. So buy on dips is on pharma stocks. Fin Nifty is just like Nifty. Now come back to the Nifty before going to other indices. So if you see the Nifty, now this is the Nifty. Now if you see the Nifty, Bank Nifty, this is the weekly chart of the Bank Nifty, and we have done the wave 1 and wave 2 from the COVID level, and this what I am seeing that third of 1 in progress, and we seen third of 1, a leading diagonal is going on, this 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So from here the wave 1 is completed, third of 1 is completed. Okay, and now third of two in progress, and it already done 50% retracement of the fall. Okay, so in maximum it can go to 81% on a downside, that is 47,433 in bank nifty. But we are getting price rejected from 50% level. So if you see the gap fill and close above 51,620 in bank nifty closing basis, weekly closing basis, then there is a possibility that this correction is over, and we can see third of third in bank nifty on the upside. We can take bank nifty to 68 to 68,000 on the upside. Okay, so this is for the longer time horizon, this weekly basis. Now if you see the RSI also, MACD also, and MACD is negative diversion turning this week, and RSI is still in near 50 zone, so we can expect RSI to come here till for 50 to 40 levels. Okay, so now let me go to the daily chart for the bank nifty. If you see the daily chart, the RSI is just uh, try to cross over is moving average, and from its 40, so it is sell on rise in bank nifty rather than buy on dips, because MACD is not as showing any positive diversion. If you see the MACD of a bank nifty, it is a negative and it is below zero. Okay, so in that case, this is a third we have done, and this we have maybe 14 running or fourth done, and it is a triple correction expecting that WXZ. So from here, uh, this is the wave ABC, W, X, Y, X, and Z. So correction is possible. Third is completed here. That is one, two, three, and fourth is going on. So it cannot be, because wave four is just touch the wave two area. So uh, this correction, this is view is negated. Okay, so in that case, either it should correct it. This is the wave one, and this is wave two. Okay, so I'm putting just corrective from election result low. This is the wave one, and this is wave two, and 3, 4, 5 is pending in bank nifty. Okay, so in that case, uh, correction should ended here. So for that case, the bank nifty should close above 51,550 on closing basis on daily chart. Okay, now this candle on daily chart is closing above the pair candle, higher high, higher low. Okay, and that is the reason this is a positive signal for the bank nifty to move upside. Okay, and there is a we can see on Monday and Tuesday, if a bank nifty trade above 50,800, then we can see the gap to be full up 51,100 to 51,500 is quite possible for bank nifty in coming week. Okay, now there is another from bearish point of view. Okay, so if it is a x, this is a larger x, x2, then in that case this a b c is quite possible. Okay, so in that case, if it is a b and c, but c should have in 5 leg. So let's have a smaller time frame look, that is on bank nifty hourly chart. Let me go to the bank nifty hourly chart. Now if you see the bank nifty hourly chart from this view, okay, so in that case, if it is a, this is a b c formation, so it should have in 5 leg, but this is, we have seen only two candle. Let me go to the 15 minutes chart also to get the clear point of view. Yes, now see here, so it is a single leg. Okay, so it could be, if we put here, this is a. Okay, now this is b, and this is c is going on. So within that c, it should be a five leg. So this could be one, this is two. Okay, one, two, three, this is can be third, this could be four, and this again fifth. So in this also we have shown that wave wave C is completed and wave Z also completed. Okay, so we can consider here wave 2 also. So what is the reason of bearish from this point of view? The only one reason is that uh, if you see that because the wave here does not show any clarity view, it should have 5 legs, but it's only 2 candle legs. So it could be, if you consider here, let me delete all. If this is wave 1, wave 2, so in that case this is 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so in that case there is a probability that it is only wave A rather than wave C from the here. So it should be wave A here and B is going on and wave C is pending on the downside. Clear? So in that case, let have okay. So in that case, the wave B can retrace how much? 38% is trading till now. So it is possibility to go down from here. It should be, in that case it will be zigzag, and wave C will be in 5 legs from here. So in that scenario, this is A and B. So Friday, we can see that this is a wave 1 and wave 2 done, or wave 2 in progress. This is 1, okay, and this could be 2, and 3, 4, 5 is pending on a downside to complete fifth. Now, what is the target of wave C? The target of wave C is coming around, uh, if we go to simple from this point, okay, so minimum target is coming around 49,000 level to 48,600 level on a downside in the bank nifty. Okay, so 49,000 to 48,610 is the possibility range for the bank nifty if bank nifty failed to move upside on the 51,000 or 51,300. Okay, so in that case this could be the condition A, B, C in bank nifty. Okay, other, if other case, if I had to break out, it need to close above 51,600 on the upside. So this for the bank nifty. Now we come to the other indices also. uh, FMGC. FMGC is just last leg, one, two, three, four. Again, fourth wave is running in FMGC, and fifth of fifth is pending. Now, if you see the PSU bank, the PSU bank is struggling here and given some sign of breakdown, but not this. If you consider from the COVID level, this is 1 and 2. So this is again 1, 2, and 3 and 4 is pending, and third or fifth is pending. So to complete third or fifth, we can see there is a pullback. The price can come up to 6,700 level, and from there we can see a pullback to complete this third, and again we see a correction of fourth, and final fifth is up pending to touch 11,000 on the upside. So there is a buy on decline in PSU's banks. Okay, so this is all for my friends. So if you like this video, please don't forget to share, subscribe this video, YouTube channel Pandit Invest. Okay, thank you for watching it.